In today's video, I am going to teach you how to delete user account in Google Workspace. To begin, sign into the Google Admin Console using an administrator account that has permission to manage users. Make sure you are in the correct organization, especially if your company manages multiple domains or units, because deleting a user will affect that specific account. Once you are in the Admin Console, look for the main navigation menu and go to Directory, then select Users. This will open your user list, where you can view all accounts in your Google Workspace environment. Take a moment to confirm you are selecting the right person, since deleting the wrong account can disrupt access to email, files, and shared resources. Next, locate the user you want to remove. When you hover over that user in the list, you will see a More Options menu, shown as 3 dots. Click those 3 dots to open the Actions menu for that user. From the list of options, select Delete User. This starts the deletion process and brings up a confirmation screen. Before you finalize anything, you will be given the option to transfer data. This is an important part of the process because the user may have files in Google Drive, events in Google Calendar, or connected brand accounts that your team still needs. If the user owns important documents, shared folders, or ongoing calendar schedules, choose to transfer that data to another active user. Select the destination user carefully, ideally someone responsible for the departing employee's work or a manager who can reassign access later. After you have chosen whether or not to transfer data, review the details on the screen one more time. When you are ready, click Delete User to confirm. The account will be removed, and the user will no longer be able to sign in. If you transfer data, it will be reassigned according to the settings you selected during the deletion process. That covers everything you need to know.